Hey YouTube Gamer fans, it's me, Kevin Gamer, and we're back with some more Mimpi! Let's go! Alright, here we go. Oh, someone's sad. I'm sad. My friend I was in love, but then he disappeared. And he got captured. Don't worry, Super Dog is in the rescue. Thanks. One bone, one bolt. Ah! Hey! Why not? What's wrong? The king? Oh, the king captured a bird? No dogs allowed. No, I want to get in. They're afraid of me now. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so we gotta get to 3 flags. Okay. Okay, what do I do? No, that wasn't correct. Done. No, that was wrong. So this one. Yeah, got it. Open sesame. Back. Gotta find a way to get that bone. Got the bone. See? Hey. Oh. Alright. How did it get nighttime quickly? New skin! Whoa! Like Spy Mimpi! I like the suit. It looks cool. Whoa! I almost got killed. I almost died. That was Ghost One. Wait, why does that guy look weird? Let's see. Is he like Human Rider? Whoa! That's kind of cool. We got an achievement. Human Rider. I think there's a bonus. What's here? Boom! Oh, hey dude. Nothing to see here. Okay. Let's go. Hey, I saw something tapping. Alright. So far, we're doing good. Here, another guy, and jump. Another one. On this guy. I'm thinking, yep, there's a bonus chest. A bonus area for the bone. Okay. He really doesn't know I'm on his head. He's just and how's he alive with swords? Oh wait, crap. I'm not falling for that. Oh, can I reach it this far? Oh my gosh, that was scary. I don't know if I said oh my god. I hope I didn't. Bone. Sorry, but I don't know if I said that. I think I said oh my gosh. Gold bones! Ha ha ha, that was a slide. Sorry. Alright, wait now. Who are you? No. Bark! I want to get through. Need drill. I love cherries. Yes. Thanks. Go get them. Good luck. He's like a dog. Well, that's a lot of apples. Alright. Oh, you like cherry jam? Yeah, he did. Thanks. I love cherries. You're my hero. Hey, thanks, buddy. Bye. It was nice to meet him. Let's get up. Yeah, I knew they could just... okay. Alright, we're going up. Up we go. Alright. You gotta be kidding me. We were in the sewer. Ew, and now we were coming out from the toilet. Ugh. Gross. Wait, bolt. Oh, man. You gotta be kidding me. Yeah, you came. Hey, I remember that. See, weird girl. I had to tap it because the light's up. Alright. Wait. Gonna need a bone. Yes. Whoa. Bone. Whoa. Okay, that was the ghost one. Whoa, who noticed that this meat was bouncy? Alright. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, I can do it again. Let's see. Oh, it's the king. No talk so loud. You shall die. I came to save this guy for freedom. To follow the law. No. I will capture you. What? No! You fell for a trap! I wanted that bone! Oh, there's more bones here. Castle bolts. I died. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, I saw that. I was trying to see if I can get that out. Alright. 27. Alright, so there's a bone. Castle torches! Now we're going back down. I don't want to go back down. I want to go back up. Come on, I want to go. Back up, I say. Back up! There we go. No dogs allowed, I said. You shall die. I came to save him for freedom. There he is, to fall in love. No! I shall capture you. No, you don't. What do? Do chest? Or something? Oh, do I have to wood or something? Oh, okay, just keep on tapping them. Keep on tapping them. Smash. Oh! Whoa! He's free! Yay! Freedom for you, birdie. Oh. Oh! Oh my gosh, what did I do? Chest. Alright, where are we going? Oh, what a good time in this one. What now? Martival Heroic Outlaw. Yay! Right, guys, that's the end of me playing Mimpi Dreams. And well, I had a fun time. I didn't mean to press the next level. But if you want to see more of my videos, click that subscribe button and give me a like. And I'll see you next time. Bye!